Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a up arrow symbol comment in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select comment option and click on this sticky note, put anywhere and click right button for properties and properties dialog box, select appearance option and scroll down and here you will find this up arrow. Click here and I'll change the up arrow color yellow color. Now select OK and click on this and type here a text. Now post your comment and see this up arrow simple comment. Right now you can edit this comment, you can set status, also you can reply. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.